Welcome to my channel, Money Making Mel. I'm thrilled to have you here today. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all my latest content. For my returning viewers, welcome back. Your support means the world to me. Today, we'll explore 10 fantastic YouTube channel ideas that don't require you to show your face. This is perfect for those who are camera shy or simply prefer to stay behind the scenes. You might be surprised at how many successful channels operate without ever showing the creator's face. From gaming to cooking and even tech reviews, there's a niche for everyone. Whether you're camera shy or just prefer to stay behind the scenes, these ideas are perfect for you. Let's dive in. We'll cover a variety of genres and styles, so there's bound to be something that sparks your interest. Plus, I'll share some tips and tricks on how to make your content engaging and professional, even without being on camera. So grab a notebook and pen, and let's get started on this exciting journey to creating amazing YouTube content without ever having to show your face. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. First up, we have animation channels. Animation allows you to tell stories, create educational content, or entertain without ever showing your face. Use software like Adobe Animate or Blender to bring your ideas to life. Animation is a powerful medium that transcends the boundaries of traditional storytelling. Whether you're crafting a whimsical tale for children, developing an intricate plot for a series, or creating engaging educational content, animation offers endless possibilities. The beauty of animation lies in its ability to visualize the unimaginable, to bring to life characters and worlds that exist only in your mind. For those looking to dive into the world of animation, there are numerous tools at your disposal. Adobe Animate is a popular choice, known for its user-friendly interface and robust features. It allows you to create vector animations, which are perfect for web and mobile applications. Blender, on the other hand, is a free and open-source 3D creation suite. It supports the entirety of the 3D pipeline: modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing, and motion tracking. But software is just one part of the equation. To truly excel in animation, you need to understand the principles of movement, timing, and storytelling. Study the works of renowned animators, practice regularly, and don't be afraid to experiment. The more you animate, the better you'll become. Moreover, animation channels on platforms like YouTube have become incredibly popular. They offer a unique way to connect with audiences, allowing creators to share their stories and ideas with the world. Whether you're looking to educate, entertain, or inspire, animation is a versatile and engaging medium that can help you achieve your goals. So, pick up your digital pen, fire up your software, and start animating today. Next, consider starting a gaming channel. Record your gameplay, create walkthroughs, or review the latest games. Tools like OBS Studio or Streamlabs can help you capture your screen and gameplay footage. Cooking channels are great for sharing your favorite recipes. Focus on close-up shots of ingredients and the cooking process. Let your food do the talking and add voiceover instructions for clarity. Tech review and unboxing channels are perfect for showcasing the latest gadgets. Film unboxings, provide in-depth reviews, and offer buying guides. Use close-ups to highlight product features. Travel vlogs can be incredibly exciting. Capture stunning footage of the places you visit and narrate your experiences. Use drones and action cameras for dynamic shots. Educational channels are always in demand. Teach subjects like math, science, or language, or provide tutorials on various skills. Use screen recordings and visuals to enhance your lessons. DIY and crafting channels are perfect for sharing creative projects. Focus on close-up shots of your hands working on the projects and explain each step clearly. Music channels can feature instrumental performances, tutorials, or even original compositions. Capture the performance from different angles to make it visually appealing. Fitness channels can offer workout routines, fitness tips, and healthy lifestyle advice. Use wide-angle shots to capture the full range of exercises. Book review channels can provide in-depth reviews, summaries, and recommendations. Use visuals like book covers and relevant images to enhance your reviews. There you have it, 10 YouTube channel ideas you can start without showing your face. Each of these ideas has the potential to grow into a successful channel if you put in the time and effort. Pick an idea that resonates with you, something that you are passionate about or have a keen interest in. Once you've chosen your niche, start creating content today. Remember, consistency is key. The more you upload, the better you get, and the more your audience grows. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and ideas. Engaging with our content helps us bring you more valuable information and keeps you updated with the latest trends and strategies. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Starting a YouTube channel can be a rewarding experience, and with these faceless ideas, you can maintain your privacy while still sharing your creativity and knowledge with the world. Look at the success stories of other faceless YouTubers. They started just like you. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve similar success. Plan your content, stay consistent, and always strive to improve. The journey might be challenging, but it's also incredibly fulfilling. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, happy creating.